he pretty good? He knows how to do that, doesn't he? Yeah. He's an expert.
He's a real spurt.
Are you an expert? Your arm popped? Oh, Jake, what did you do?
I don't know, it's just moving.
Is that karate? Maybe breaking all those boards.
Yeah.
There you go.
I guess we're gonna have enough, huh?
Yeah, this is not pushing away.
No, you don't push it too hard, babe.
Yeah, you don't want it.
You don't want to.
Want it to blow up.
Let's get it closer.
Okay. Here you go.
Here, put it in.
You want to put it in, Kiara? There you go. Good job. Whoa.
Oh,
Oh!
good girl. She had the right idea.
All right.
Is that good enough or a few more?
I don't know. What do you think?
One
One
or two.
more.
One.
One more.
Don't push
it in.
anymore. Don't push
Yeah,
anymore.
Don't push it in anymore.
Okay. Just fill up that cavity right there. So I put the skin around it. There you go. Just tap it down a little bit. One more.
Put one more in there.
We get some meat.
Yeah, good idea. Hey, I'm sure glad Jakey came. We'll get this done.
All right.
Uh-huh.
Now, the surgeon has to take over.